Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm going to be installing the new H7 bulbs, the Eagle Eye. I think that's what that's called. What's it called? Easy Eagle. So these are brighter bulbs with fans, and yeah. So you need the adapters on. So that's what I'm doing now. I'll put the adapter on. You put it on before you put it in the car because it's just easier. Because this is very slippy. I had to use this cloth. Otherwise it wouldn't open, so I'll show you how to do that now. So how do you put these adapters on? All you do is you're taking this off by twisting it. Let me find it for you. Let me see if I can take it off. So all you're doing is twisting it till it comes off. But as I said, it's a bit oily in my last video when I unboxed it. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna have to pause the video, use a cloth just to twist it open. So all you're doing is twisting it that way or that way, whichever way it comes loose, and then you get the adapter ready. Now guys, there you go, just lift it up. So the adapter's off now. Well, that's not the adapter, that's just the normal headlight. So this is the adapter you need. If anyone needs a link for one of these, I'll try find the link and put it in the description. If I can get this out, come on, you bloody shit. Alright, so this adapter should be facing like this. So you get it on here, shove it all as much further down it can go. Alright, and then you just want to put this on like that, so it goes down. Okay, and then you twist it in place, but for that I'm gonna have to pause the video and do it because again I need some grip, so I'm gonna have to use this cloth. I need both hands for that. So all you're doing is twisting it in the opposite direction, so it came loose this way, so now twist it the other way, and then it'll be locked in place. And then we're going to sort out this has to line up with this. Can you see that? So can you see this part here? It has to line up with that, like on this one, because that's where it's going to sit, that massive hole there. Yeah, it is a bit loose, but it'll do. I think it'll do the job, so hopefully it'll be right. So I'm going to go ahead and do this with this one now. This one is a lot more difficult than the other one. I'm struggling with it. Alright guys, I got both adapters on now. They're fully stuck on there now. That one was a piss take to get on the other one. So they're both ready now. Got the car ready, so just pop your hood and let's go guys. Alright guys, I've taken the old one out. You just twist it. Simple as that. So there's the old one, the other side broke of this one, so switch this out. So these have a wire, so all you're doing, we're leaving this bit to the last bit. All you're doing is putting this in first. So all you're doing is entering it at a right angle like this, the new one, and switching it in place like that. It'll fit on straight away. And then you just plug in that wire in here, and then we're going to test it out. If it doesn't work, you have to turn that wire around, and then it should hopefully work. So let's go ahead and do that now. Alright guys, these don't work because there's not enough clearance because of this, so that's another failure guys. So I'll probably have to get some with 2 pins on the side, so then it should just lock in place, but this one's failure. Alright guys, we got the new bulb in on one side, and that's the old LED. So fan one, non-fan. As you can see, the fan one's a lot brighter. Look at the difference guys, it's night and day guys. Look at the difference. That will need lowering, but we'll do that afterwards. But right now, as you can see the difference, night and day guys. These are 100 times better. It's very hard to do, so we recommend putting a rubber band on it because there's no grip on it. There's no grip on that side, or well, it's the bulb itself. I'll show you. That's bright, man. You see the high beam? Is there any cars down there? Same brightness in it. Yeah, I need to lower it, but for now it's fine, isn't it? Alright, look at that guys. So these are the same power as the high beams pretty much. Look how bright they are. Look, this is the high beams. Wow, pretty much the same power, but the beam cutout is good. Right, so this is the bulb itself. So we're going to try get on the side. So we recommend putting rubber band around here and then just twisting it. It goes in the same as the normal headlights. Let's give this a try. Alright guys, new headlight sign. As you can see, they are powerful. So the beam pattern is straight, which is pretty good. The right side I will lower a bit because it's slightly higher, so that's what I'm going to do now. So I'll show you how to lower it on another video. But yeah, you just need to adjust it and you won't blind anyone. But you can see how powerful they are. These are my high beams. There's almost barely a difference, almost barely. So these are miles better. It's definitely worth the 70 quid or 80 quid, whatever the price is. It's definitely worth it. I recommend these headlights, definitely. So fan versus fanless. Fanless is failure. Fan, wow, look at this. It's worth the hustle, guys, worth the hustle. Alright guys, so no errors actually come up on these lights. They don't even flash. Wow, look at these errors. There's no errors there for it. So these are amazing lights. There's no Canbus errors. There's no flickering on these lights. They're amazing. I highly recommend these lights. Thank you again. Alright guys, look how bright they are. That's in the daytime, nighttime. Very nice, very nice. So as you can see, they just go above the headlights, about the level of the headlights. So they throw in a lot of distance and they're very bright, but they won't blind anybody. So that's very good, isn't it, guys? Both sides, as you can see. So these are miles better than the other one, and I highly recommend it, guys. Highly recommend it. And this is in a lit area. Imagine in a non-lit area how bright these would be. So this is amazing, guys. Watch out for my next video. I'll teach you how to align everything. So what I've done is, at the moment, I've just lowered it to the lowest setting, and that looks alright, but on the right side is slightly higher, so I'm going to lower it a bit more, so then it doesn't blind anyone. 100% it doesn't blind anyone, so then everything will be alright. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you again for sending this out, free product for me, because I'm really happy with it. Wow, I'll actually buy this for the cars as well. This also works on the Mark 7, like I said. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.